Class 5 EVS Chapter 4 Our Organ System. In this unit, we discuss about subtopic Digestive System. What is digestion? The process of conversion of complex food material into simple and absorbable materials by the action of enzymes is called digestion. Here you see there are two types of food materials. The first one is raw food material, that means complex food material. When we eat this complex food material, with the action of enzymes, it converted into the simple food material like this. Any food we can take, they contain carbohydrates, proteins and fats. These three food materials to change into simple food material, the carbohydrates change into sugars, proteins change into amino acids, as well as fats change into fatty acids. This conversion is called digestion. Now here see, digestive system consists of some parts. Now we discuss about one by one. The first one is mouth. It opens into the oral cavity. The oral cavity has three main parts. Those are teeth, tongue and salivary glands. These salivary glands are in humans three pairs salivary glands having. Next, oral cavity continues to esophagus. The esophagus is a one pipe structure. It opens into stomach. Stomach is a sac-like structure. Here food stores some time and digest mix with enzymes. Next it continues to small intestine. This small intestine in humans it is a large, that means long intestine. It is 6 meters long. It is coined. This coining helps to retain the food until the digestion food is absorbed into the blood. The small intestine was long like our food pipe. Imagine how tall we would have been. Okay, next small intestine to joins to large intestine. Next large intestine to end part is called rectum. It opens to anus. This is the main parts in our digestive system. As well as the other two main parts is there. That one is liver and the second one is pancreas. These salivary glands, liver and pancreas are useful or helpful to digestive. They are release enzymes in the digestive system. Now, how the food digests in our digestive system, we can learn. The food that we eat is cut into small pieces with the help of our teeth. They grind the food and the saliva into the mouth, helps to soften the food. When swallowed, it passes through the food pipe, that means esophagus. When the food enters the food pipe, there is a one part is there, that is pharynx. These pharynx prevent the food enters into the windpipe. Next, esophagus is a small pipe-like structure. The food moves slowly here and enters to the stomach. Stomach is a sac-like structure. This stomach releases some enzymes as well as hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid kills the harmful things in food and also neutralize the food easy to digest. Now here the complex food material joins to the enzymes. They are divided into small food materials. These small food materials next enters into the small intestine. In the small intestine, when the food materials enters, here liver too and pancreas releases enzymes. These enzymes joins to small intestine part, first part, and they also digest food, as well as small intestine also release some enzymes. They also digest food materials, very small particles which are they absorb to blood. These simple food materials are simple for food particles of food. Small intestine absorbs this digestive food into the blood. The remaining undigested matter passes from the small intestine to large intestine. This large intestine absorbs the water, heavy water, and keep into the end part of the large intestine. And next it forms, it's sent out by through the anus. This process is called digestion. Any food we eat, there are three types of food materials that contains. That one is, first one is carbohydrates. Carbohydrates changes into small food particles, sugars like sugars. The second part one food material is proteins. These proteins convert into small parts, amino acids. Next, third food material type of food material is oils or fats. If fats also simplify the fatty acids after digestion. These three sugars, amino acids and fatty acids absorbs in the small intestine and transfer into the blood. Blood transfers these food materials in various parts of the body. In various parts, cells convert oxygenated and release energy. This is food digestive system process.